Yo, what up guys? I go by the name of Chris. Welcome to my channel. If you guys don't know, this channel will be full of fashion, custom making, trip to the thrift, sneaker reviews, the whole 100 you guys are going to be seeing here. In today's episode, what we're going to be doing is a custom 101. I'm going to be working on these Wrangler pants that I found at the thrift shop. I actually styled it in my prior video. I actually did a custom 101 pair of pants already that you guys will be seeing right now.
So here's a quick little example of some pants that I made a few months ago, and where I used some corduroy pants, some canvas pants, and a vintage military bag, and I put all three of them together, and these turned out to look super sick, and hopefully today's pants come out to look just as fire.
So today's episode, what we're going to do is go to the thrift. We're going to try to find a couple pieces that I could put together with these Wrangler pants to make them look 10 times better. You guys are going to be seeing how I do everything step by step, how I lay down my product, how I think of what I want to put where. You guys are definitely going to be seeing that. And then at the end, you guys are going to see a quick styling of how I style my 101 pants. So sit back, relax, and I'll see you guys in a bit.
So we pulled up to spot number 1. Let's see if we can find some fire. Now let's see what we can find. Alright, we got spot number 2. So I just got an idea. I think I might use this as the back of the pants. What you guys think? I think I might do it. So the front will be like the plain brown, and then the back will be this. Let's see. Yeah, I think we got a winner.
Yo guys, what's up? I'm back from that little trip. I've managed to find one piece that I needed to make these pants. I remember that I had a pair of these pants at home, but I decided to just buy that other pant that we found, that real tree camo pant. I had an idea of what I could possibly do with both pants, and when I got home, I put both pair of pants together just to get an idea of what it would look like, and I feel like it'll look pretty dope. It'll be the front will be the Wrangler pant, the back will be the real tree camo, and then I was also gonna play with the pockets, start putting the pockets maybe on the side, pockets in the front. And I bought the second pair that we found at the thrift today. And I was thinking of maybe making some pockets out of it, playing with the waist, as in to put it on the bottom of the pant. So we're gonna get creative. I might play with the pants a little bit, you know, lay it down. I'll have you guys see what I feel like I'm working with at the moment. And if I have to go maybe, you know, go find something else, we can always go. So let's get into that step-by-step process. Let's start taking these pants apart. Let's start sewing things together. And hopefully these pants come out fire. So be back in a second.
So on to making some cool pants with your boy Chris. Yeah. So basically what I did was just take everything off the pant, all the pockets, and then I literally unseamed the pants to have the front part and the back part. So basically have two pieces. And then I took the real tree camel pants and I did the same exact thing. I used my little X-Acto knife because I would use a seam ripper, but none of my seam rippers really work. So I just used my little X-Acto knife. Little X-Acto knife comes in the clutch. And then I had a little idea where I wanted to give it a little tactical vibe, but that didn't work out as planned. So I went through making like the little belts for the pockets to hang off of, but I had to scratch that. And I just decided that I was just gonna put the pockets onto the pants, basically sew the pockets onto the pants. And then what I did was I added some snaps onto my pants just to give it that cool little look, to give it more detail. And then I literally took the second pant that we copped at the thrift shop and I basically used that pant just to make the pockets. And I also used the waistline of those pants to attach at the bottom of the cuffs of the legs to give it a super fire finish. And yeah, this is just a quick little look of how I did everything, how I sewed everything together. And if you guys definitely have questions, definitely hit me up, because I definitely don't mind helping you guys out to, you know, have you guys start your own little custom 101s, because it's a fun process and I always have fun doing it. So yeah, this was a little quick tutorial, and I hope you guys seen everything that I go through, and I hope you guys learned a little something. But yeah.
What up, guys? So I hope you guys enjoyed that little tutorial that I have made on how I really make these pants, putting what I want to put where. It took me a couple days to finish the pants, but I really enjoy how they came out. You guys can see they're right over here, and I know you guys want to see what they look like, but I actually changed up my idea. I did say I wanted to style them, but I actually asked my little sister to wear them in a little lookbook that I did, that I recorded of her, and it actually came out pretty dope, and you guys will be seeing it in a few seconds. Just hold on tight. If you like the video, definitely hit the thumbs up button. If you have any questions, definitely comment right down below. And if you want to keep seeing dope content, definitely subscribe. And if you want, follow me on my IG, which will be linked right down below. And yeah, stay tuned. Get ready for this lookbook. Peace.